This recipe for garlic dill carrots is one of my favorites. Hi, it's Jenna here from sipbitego, and today I'm going to share with you how to make this super easy carrot appetizer that you can easily throw together for a holiday or a special occasion, or just make as a side dish in about 15 minutes on the stove. So the first thing that you do is you steam the carrots, and then you're going to saute them. To saute them, you want to use a pan with a side that's about 2 inches high, and you want to add the steamed carrots, then olive oil and garlic for about 1 to 2 minutes. After that's done sauteing a bit, you add in the butter, salt and pepper, and stir. Once that's done, you cut the heat and you add fresh dill to the mix. Just stir and you're completely done. It is really that easy to make this simple carrot side dish. Carrots look really pretty served in a white bowl if you have one. Otherwise, just use a clear bowl or any sort of bowl that you have. Check out sipbitego for more delicious recipes, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers!